Might be studying for a job that might not exist in 5 years, and the scary part is that people studying in colleges, they still think that they have time left. No, why this urgency? Because of the AI is not just coming around, it is already replacing people. And this is the right moment where we have to take our action plan and take matters in our own hand instead of waiting around for being replaced by AI. To tackle any kind of problem, the first step is to understand the actual problem. That leads us to what is happening. Then we will discuss what will happen based on our understanding of the previous thought and what you can do as an individual. And it's a kind of disclaimer which I would say that I have done my research and this video is based on my understanding of it. And I'm also a young working professional that is trying to figure this out, because obviously this is also new for me, because I feel like right now every young individual who can really see how things are going and what is actually happening in our world, not the one stupid one who still think like the old schoolers. I don't want to talk about that anyways, that the future is uncertain, especially at this point where we have like no idea what is going to happen. If we understand the studies and the report that has been published by Anthropic and a parallel study conducted by Stanford professors, report says and it reveals that workers between the age of 22 and 25 in jobs mostly exposed to AI has been seen a 13% decline in employment since 2022. For India, there is no equivalent report as of now, but based on the understanding of Anthropic, technically, AI is coming for the IT service industry, and this industry has 7.5% GDP contribution in India. 6 million plus people works into this industry, and eventually within 5 years this will be automated with some human guidance. That has been said. IT companies like Infosys, Wipro, TCS, HCL and Tech Mahindra, they collectively reduced their headcount for the first time in 25 years. Based on this, we can clearly see that goal for these company has been changed, and proof of it, AI Summit. Vinod Kaushalya, a venture capitalistic, state that it was a bold statement that in next 5 years the IT and the BPO industry will almost vanish in the next 5 years. There are so many analytic prediction and statement that concludes mostly these services will be automated. As we have discussed the reports and the studies, then we can understand what is actually happening. AI is replacing repetitive plus predictable jobs. Tools are doing work faster than humans, and companies are choosing efficiency over employees. Not just two low skill jobs, creative plus white collar too, they are also being automated. It's not about robots taking over, it's about tasks being automated. But here's what most people get it wrong.
The truth is, you must keep
As we
going.
have gotten a theoretical approach toward what is actually happening, we can move forward toward what will happen. So, we have gotten an idea that jobs wouldn't really disappear completely, they will evolve. New roles will come, for example, influencer, content creator, whatever jobs that involves human involvement. Like imagine during the industrialization when the people were afraid of losing their job because of machine taker taking all the labor work, nobody would have imagined like people are sitting on the camera and speaking their mind and earning money. No one would have imagined that. So therefore I believe in future, in the new era of where the intelligence will not be a biggest achievement, it will be a part of it, where we will have new set of jobs, new set of opportunity. We have no idea. So for now what we can do is we can only develop our skill and be more adaptable towards it, so the skills will be more valuable and degrees will be less valuable. People who adapt will win, and the future wouldn't reward the most educated one, it will reward the most adaptable one. As we have already discussed what is happening and what will happen, now comes the most important part of this video, action plan. action zone, what you can do now. So for that, three pillars I have made and breaked three objectives where you can get the idea and the of it, what you can do, or you can make a blueprint for future on based on that. So first, learn AI, don't ignore it, use tools. I know everybody is using chat gpt for everything, like literally everything, but that doesn't count, okay? Explore new editing apps, design AI, like there is a lot of things. Explore it, learn. Instead of doom scrolling on Instagram or any other app, start creating, because there's still a need of human direction for the 5 6 years, I believe, in these field. And make it your assistant. AI shouldn't replace you, it should multiply you. Second, build skill that AI can't easily replace, like communication, storytelling, creativity, decision making, emotional intelligence. See, these are the things that makes us different from artificial intelligence. Third, last but not the least, start creating something, start building something that involve real life skill. For me, it will be YouTube content creation and anything that really involves a skill or adaptability. You cannot be stuck at one profession at this point. For me, I'm a culinary student. Even though in this industry I am, it's not most in danger of this topic, but still, I am doing YouTube and I have like not even 100 subscriber right now, and I might not be successful on YouTube, but I am doing it. It is helping me to build a communication skill, storytelling, like creativity by editing my videos and like articulating any topic. I am building those skills that will help me in future, even though I will not gain anything, but it is still better than nothing, right? So don't wait to be hired, start becoming a value, build your own asset. We have come to the point where you have to reflect on yourself. You have to understand where you stand actually in your own life individually. Don't lie to yourself, confront, be honest to yourself. You can lie to me, you can tell me you're a Superman, Batman, or Jungkook or BTS, I will accept it, but don't lie to yourself. And when you have done that, ask yourself these three questions. It will give you a basic understanding of the situation of your own life. Are you just following a degree blindly? Do you have any real world skill? Can you survive without a job for 6 months? So these are the simple questions which will help you understand to or survive. Would you be able to survive in worst situation? Just be honest, okay? On base why I am making this video, even though I am working in the industry which is as if for now for 10 to 15 years, I cannot replace it. Even though if we see like there is nothing major changes, me being a 20 years old, even though my future is pretty much safest at this moment because I'm working in hospitality right now, because the predictability and the all the reports says that only those sector that involve human presence, human empathy, or looking forward on the internet, being like literally looking forward for a bot influencer, we will not be. Or I'm actually working as a culinary student right now. So obviously, like, I cannot imagine AI literally decorating a cake for now, at least. Maybe they can, I don't know, but still, for me, when I really got to know about all those things, and I am like the person, like most curious person, जब तक मुझे समझ नहीं आता ये सब चीज़ें के बारे में, जब तक मुझे एग्जैक्टली पता नहीं चल जाए व्हाट इज़ इट, देन जब तक मुझे शांति नहीं मिलती. And this is a medium where I am just putting all my thoughts together for my future self, maybe in these kind of videos, I don't know. But when I got to know about it, me being a college student, still I'm working and I have experience, but still I will consider myself a college student, and so that I can connect with people. It's very scary. Like right now, over the period, like Gen Zs are literally cooked. They have like most uncertain future. They got no idea what is happening, when that mass automation will happen, AI will take over, or it will have like human extinction. I don't know. Nobody knows what is happening, even though scientists are literally predicting what worst can happen. But l- I like to be in like optimist side, like more in a positive side, thinking that we can make it. And I believe this is the right moment where we can educate ourselves on the basis of the reports which is already publishing in the news or the media that is happening. We have to read about it. We need to be aware about it and develop our skill on that basis. And always, like always, even though when the industrialization happened, when the animals got their point कि animals को पता चल गया कि machines replace animal, because before the industrialization, when we didn't had that advanced technology of transportation system, we used to use animals, right? And then when that automation happened, when the machine replaced animal, nothing really happened as important or as significant. Only thing happened, machine took over their places in our life and animal got to their places where they were. So this is what that is going to happen in future, I predict, on the basis of the information that we get. And this is my personal opinion. Nothing will happen. We will be living in the automation world where human will get to their places. We will not be the most intelligent civilization or being on this planet. That is going to happen, and we will just accept it. Either there will be no chance then accepting it, I believe. And at this point, and in that era, there will be always a winner side and a loser side. Even though it is sad to say that the winners will be those, the one who will take the credibility, and they will authorize the system and be on their personal brand, and the losers will be those who hesitated and waited for the mass automation to happen, and they waited until they had like no choice to accept the actual fact. And I have seen like people are still there, like तुम्हें पता ही होगा like how things work in India, like कि they're like नहीं नहीं humans को कौन ही replace कर सकता है, हम human touch तो हम ही देंगे. But we have to be practical in that case, and we have to think in a worse manner possible so that we can improve ourselves on that basis. The losers will be those, the one who waited and hesitated, and there will be always the winners and the losers in this era also. So the winners will be one who will take the credibility, who will revolve and make their own personal brand on their individual basis, and the losers will be those who still waited, hesitated for this mass automation to happen. And this is how our future is going to be happen. And as always, Gen Zs are literally cooked at the end, I will say.